So magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Bale ito po yung report po namin ng Group 7 which is ang topic number 12, Bernoulli's equation. So dun po sa Bernoulli's equation, meron daw po tayong dy over dx plus p of x multiplied by y is equals to q of x multiplied by y raised to n. And yung n po nun is not equal to 0 or 1. And yung ito po ay ni-named after kay James Bernoulli who made the study in 1695. Consider the equation. D over y over dx plus p of y is equals to y raised to n q. Tapos po, makukuha po natin yung pinaka-equation by dividing it into y over n. So magkakaroon po tayo ng y raised to 1 minus n dy over dx plus p multiplied by y raised to 1 minus n is equals to q. So para mas maintindihan natin, magbibigay tayo ng example. So ito yung example number 1. Solve the equation dy over dx plus 2xy plus xy raised to 4 is equals to 0. So yung first step natin is multiply natin both sides by y raised to negative 4. So yan. Para ma-achieve natin yung answer or yung first equation natin which is y raised to negative 4 dy over dx plus 2x y raised to negative 3 is equals to negative x. So next step natin, dahil nakita natin na kahawig na siya nung sa Bernoulli equation natin, ilalet v natin yung y raised to negative 3. So magkakaroon tayo ng dv over dx is equals to negative 3 y raised to negative 4 dy over dx. Next step natin is i-multiply natin siya sa 1/3 para magkaroon tayo ng y raised to negative 4 dy over dx is equals to negative 1/3 para makancel natin yung constant. Isa-substitute po natin yung equation number 1. Ito po yung equation number 1 po natin, yung y raised to negative 4 dy over dx plus 2xy raised to negative 3 is equals to negative x. So magkakaroon po tayo ng negative 1/3 dv over dx plus 2vx is equals to negative x. Kapag po sinubstitute na po natin yung nakuha po natin sa paglelet v dun sa equation number 1. So dv over dx is equals to negative 6v of 6vx is equals to 3x. So ito na po yung sagot po natin, and then gagamitan po natin siya ng integrating factor. Ito po yung topic po nung mga nakaraang grupo. So, mangyayari po natin dito, yung 6vx po natin, tsaka yung 3x po natin, negative 3x squared po natin, is isa-substitute po natin siya sa integrating factor. So, magkakaroon po tayo ng e raised to negative integral of 6x dx is equals to e raised to negative 3x squared. So magkakaroon po tayo next ng v raised to e negative 3x squared is equals to integral of 3x multiplied by e raised to negative 3x squared dx. Kapag sinolve po natin siya. Next po, pagka solve na po natin yan, nakuha na po natin yung integral, magkakaroon na po tayo ng v raised to e raised to negative 3x squared is equals to negative 1/2 e raised to negative 3x squared plus c. So, ito po yung magiging equation number 2 po natin. So, i-replace po natin yung v kay y raised to negative 3 sa equation number 2. Kaya po yung sa equation po natin ngayon, magiging y raised to negative 3e raised to negative 3x squared is equals to negative 1 half e raised to 3x squared plus c. And then, magkakaroon na po tayo ng final answer kapag sinimplify po natin siya ng 1 over y raised to positive 3 is equals to negative 1 half plus c e raised to negative 3x squared.
Example number 2. dy is equals to negative xy, quantity of 2 plus y cubed, closed quantity dx. Yung goal natin is ma-achieve yung Bernoulli equation. And multiply natin siya by 1 over dx. By multiplying, we achieve the answer dy over dx is equals to negative xy, quantity of 2 plus y cubed. I-multiply natin siya both sides by y raised to negative 4. Then, i-distribute yung negative xy sa loob. And, ang sagot niya is y raised to negative 4 dy over dx is equals to negative 2xy raised to negative 3 minus x. And i-move natin yung negative 2xy raised to negative 3 para maging positive. And ang sagot niya is y raised to negative 4 dy over dx plus 2xy raised to negative 3 equals to negative x. Kung mapapansin nyo, kamukha na siya nung Bernoulli equation. Then, this is our equation number 1. And we let v is equals to y raised to negative 3. And dv over dx is equals to negative 3y raised to negative 4 dy over dx. I-times natin siya sa 1 over 3 para makancel yung constant ng y raised to negative 4. And magkakasagot tayo ng negative 1/3 dv over dx is equals to y raised to negative 4 dy over dx. Kung nakuha natin sagot, isa-substitute natin in equation number 1. Y raised to negative 4 dy over dx plus 2xy raised to negative 3 is equals to x. Dito natin isa-substitute yung sagot natin kanina. And magiging ano siya, negative 1 over 3 dv over dx plus 2xv is equals to negative x. I-times natin siya sa negative 3 both side para makancel yung 1 over 3. And ang answer niya is dv over dx minus 6xv equals to 3x. And ito na yung integrating factor na na-discuss ng ibang grupo. E raised to negative integral of 6x dx is equals to e raised to negative 3x squared kasi yun yung integral ng negative 6x dx. And ve raised to negative 3x squared is equals to integral of 3x times e raised to negative 3x squared dx. And magkakaroon tayong sagot na ve raised to negative 3x squared is equals to negative 1 half e raised to 3x squared plus c. Ito na yung equation number 2 natin. Replace b na yung v natin, di ba, is y raised to negative 3 in equation number 2. Y raised to negative 3 e raised to negative x squared is equals to negative 1 half e raised to negative 3x squared plus c. And then, isimplify natin siya. At ang sagot ay y over y cubed is equals to negative 1 half plus c e raised to negative x squared. Ito na yung final answer natin.